Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find Google Sheet table templates. So if you're about to work on a Google Sheet and you want to create a table, but not sure if the table that you would like to work on or the project that you want to work on has something pre-built that you could easily use and just plug in your data, then I'm going to show you how to do it. So as you can see here, I'm in Google Sheets. I'm going to click on a blank sheet, add a new sheet, and here's a sheet 4, and this is blank. So let's say I want to create something, right? And I need to create a table, use a table. All you have to do is just simple go to insert at the top here, and here you have tables. Once you click on that, it's going to open up the right hand side and you will see tables here. And if you over each section, guys, you have a ton of different pre-built templates that you can choose, and each of them you have around the left hand side. That simply means that you can easily go ahead and expand to see what is there. This is a blank table that you can rebuild from scratch, or you can check some others to see what's there. So these are the featured section. These are, for example, event planning and so forth. These are, as you can see, customer relations. So you can click and see what's there. Now, for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna just basically choose an example such as event travel planner, for example. So trip itinerary, right? And something like that. I'm gonna hover over this. You can click and insert, or you can just click on it and it's gonna add it. So let's say I'm gonna insert it. So I'm gonna hover over it and just click and insert. And as you can see, it gives a little pop-up and you just need to click on next, click on next, click on done. And that's it. You have it already added here into your new Google Sheets, and you can go ahead and you can rename this. So you can just call this whatever you want, travel planner or whatever it is, right? So I'm going to go ahead and name it as that. Hit enter there. And so there's it. All you have to do now is just go ahead and add the date that you wish to add. As you can see, you can make changes to the column. It's a full blown table, guys, that contains everything, and you can just start to fill in whatever you want. There's drop downs and anything that is inside it that you need to edit, it's easily editable. So for example, if you want to change this section here where you have the drop down, you don't want these, you can click on edit and you can just make changes to it or rename them to whatever you want. So you can easily go ahead and do that and click on done. Once you're done, everything will be there. And that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and easily insert a table into your Google Sheet. So if you're working on a Google Sheet document, if you're working on a project, you can easily include any one of those predefined table templates there and work from there. And you can modify to your liking. As I said, any section of that document that you want to change, whether it's a name, whether it's whatever it might be, drop down list, whatever it is, you can easily go ahead and change it to your liking if you don't need it or if you want to tweak it a little bit. But that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys.